Okay, as you can see, this is the baby that the mother gave away. This child, she's not even up to 2 weeks old. The mother gave this child away.
Yes, ahochere edi nipa beduru akiri. Baby abarabo mo enema ema otirimu dakra se obeye bi da no. Ahwe ahochere betima ba so agusia ahwe a wani mra ahoso no. Na ade ne waye bi. Lady bi owo Nigeria, Delta State to be precise. Me fani din eni ni phone ento so. Ebusia wa yara hosem bi a. In fact, a surprise we are saying na ne ba wawo na akra na nya 1 week old. Na wotwe wakoton akra na. Ama koton akra na yasa atwe na di. Aha you Penyah Broad Media. Mesrewa. Say over like if video na fada worma over click subscribe button na so. No need mo over turn notification bell on. Na be kire wadwen e dey ma me e wo comment section. Aya bomo dey say over share video na ma wunya so enya bi ahwe. Enti about 5 days ago that I was following a certain story in Nigeria. Now me person me so quick to give an update on that. Now person me follow to the root. Ehun asem no kra ehun because on the media there something can be prank. Content creators into no bibi ba ehun say ade we no e true and I say e content and omo e 5 days ago I'm tell say Nigeria obi aton akora or 1 week old and I'm na what you pay there akora 1 week old obi aton how possible? I was actually following the update to see as to what I said there will be some little truth. And I say ABI for content creator and for just for chasing clout. But I will say many these stories say lo and behold, it is true. Let it be our Delta State, Nigeria. Aton a bar akran na watche.
And this is Delta State Police Command. We've come to realize that the business of baby factory is on the increase, and we are going to fight it head on. The other day we saw 3 women who were about transporting 3 different babies to Abuja through Asaba International Airport. Thank God they were caught and they were arrested. I would like us to see the baby because we have the baby here. Okay, as you can see, this is the baby that the mother gave away. This child, she's not even up to 2 weeks old. The mother gave this child away without being breastfed. I asked the person who bought, and she said what they intend to do is to grow the baby with baby food. This is the baby that the mother is alive. Well, I don't know what we are turning into. Let's go and interview the mother of the child, the seller, and also the receiver.
Now, according to lady, Ochirem say, Onyemono na onyamwa. Bema on the name no neglectino. Bema say enya ne banano. Ontimi take responsibility. Uniska. It's let the name na say or prapra man for fee or koye a sibi adwuma. Ene nyeska de shakran. Or wa kran wie no. Ana abraboma be ye den one only no be the way answer no obeton akran. Ain't no okoton akran. Am okoton akran. Ya twenedi. Let's go watch the video.
I am SP Edafe Bright and this is Delta State Police Command. We've come to realize that the business of baby factory is on the increase, and we are going to fight it head on. The other day we saw 3 women who were about transporting 3 different babies to Abuja through Asaba International Airport. Thank God they were caught and they were arrested. Today we are having 3 suspects. This is the mother of a child who is a week and few days old. She gave the child to this woman, and this woman sold that child to this woman for the sum of 4 million naira. Though she claimed it was 3.5 million naira she collected, the person who bought said she bought for 4 million naira. The mystery about this whole thing is that the lady who sold for 4 million or 3.5 million as it claims gave the mother of the child not even up to 600,000. When the mother of the child went back to the people who were taking care of her while she was pregnant, they noticed that she was no longer carrying the baby in her womb. When they asked her, "Where is your baby?" that was when she now opened up that she sold the baby for 600,000 naira. Lo and behold, she was arrested. The person who is suspected was also arrested. She was that one who now told us that no, she handed over the lady to this particular woman for a reason which we are not going to make public for now, because she believed that this woman will be able to take care of her. She never knew that the woman would take advantage of this whole situation and make money out of it. So we'll be interviewing them now, but before we do that, I would like us to see the baby because we have the baby here. Okay, as you can see, this is the baby that the mother gave away. This child, she's not even up to 2 weeks old. The mother gave this child away without being breastfed. I asked the person who bought, and she said what they intend to do is to grow the baby with baby food. this is the baby that the mother is alive. Well, I don't know what we are turning into. Let's go and interview the mother of the child, the seller, and also the receiver. My friend, what is your name?
My name is Rachel.
Try and be audible.
My name is Rachel.
Rachel, you are from where?
Asaba.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
How many children do you have?
I have one.
One?
Yes. A boy.
A boy. This one you just gave birth to is, what's her gender? She's a girl. Okay. Then when did you give birth to this baby?
27.
27. Okay, so why did you give the baby away?
I give the baby away because I'm the only one that's taking care of the father of the child. Denied me.
So the father of the child denied you.
Yes.
Okay, who took care of you when you were pregnant?
I took care of myself. I struggled because I was going to people's compound to clean, to do some chores. I'm the one that took care of myself.
Okay, so who took you to this lady now?
It was one Miss Patrick's.
Okay, one Mrs. Patrick. Okay, when he was taking you to her, was she aware that you wanted to sell the child?
I told her that let her help me, that I don't have, my hand is not strong enough to carry 2 babies to be training.
Okay, how much was your child sold?
And she gave me 600, but she said I should settle her this and that.
Who gave you 600?
This woman.
Which woman? Point to woman.
This lady, the fair one.
The fair one.
On pink.
Okay, you say you should settle her inside that 600.
Yes, the
so
hospital bill. And I gave her 30.
You know, so what came to you now is 570,000.
Yes.
Okay, I will come back to you. Madam. How much did you sell that baby?
35.
What's 35?
3.5.
3.5 what?
A million.
3.5 million naira.
Yes, sir.
So how much did you give to the mother of the child?
600.
And she said she gave you 30,000 naira again.
No, that was the money she took from me earlier on before that day.
So why would you sell a baby for 3.5 million and give the mother of the child less than you give the mother of the child 600,000?
She said that she want to do her business.
So the remaining 4.9 million now, where is it? 3 point. You saw you sold for 3.5. Okay, the remaining 2.9 million naira, where is it?
It's there. I not touch it. I just only remove.
Where is in your account?
It's in my account.
In your account. Okay, who did you sell the baby to? Who you sell the pikin give?
This woman.
This woman. She sold to her for how much?
35.
3.5 million naira. Okay, this child, how old is this child?
A week 1 day now. I think 11 days.
Does it make any sense to take a baby from the mother, a child that is supposed to be going through the process of breastfeeding?
She said that she don't want to breastfeed because she want to remove she don't need that relationship.
Okay, don't you know the legal process of giving up a child?
I knew because I knew that I gave her the paper and I called
a lady. Which paper?
I gave her.
You are the one that want to expose yourself now. You understand?
I was doing
you are the one that want to expose yourself now. You understand? And you know what I'm saying? What I am saying. One thing is to commit a crime. One thing is to know that you have committed a crime. One thing is to do bad, and one thing is to realize that what you have done is bad. You sold a child for 3.5 million and you gave the mother 600,000. Okay, ma. You are from where, ma?
I'm from Ika.
Ika. So how did you approach this woman here that you wanted the child?
When there is a lady in my area that I told her that I want to adopt a child in a legit way.
In a legit way?
Yes.
Okay,
then she now said,
in as much as you would like us to tell us many things, most of those things will be in your statement because I'm managing time. Just tell me for short, how much did you pay for that child?
4 million.
4 million. Who did you give the money to?
This lady.
Touch her. Okay. So you gave her 4 million naira?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And she told you the child was how old?
She said he's a day old.
If you really want to get a child through the legal way, who told you that you have to pay so much to get that child? What are the documents you signed before the child was given to you?
She told me that the document is in process, that she will bring it. Then later, she
were you taken to any orphanage home, or were you taken to Ministry of Women Affairs in the whole process?
No, she told me that she...
Forget about what she told you. Were you talking to any of these offices before the child was given to you?
No.
Okay, thank you. You say you are from where again?
From Ika.
Ika, how old are you?
I'm 42.
Do you have a husband?
Yes.
Is he aware of this thing that you did?
I told him.
Okay. Okay, well, because I'm trying to manage my time, I will not be able to go into the entire details through this interview. But the long and short story of it all is that little baby you see is just less than 2 weeks old, and the mother gave away the child according to her because she cannot take care of the child, and the father of the child denied responsibility of a pregnant.
It will be our hosem, and in fact, police for action no. Na assembly party ano ordene. Obatai, Mari Yamia Maton neba, the ebedinti, Cacrebedinti, or town neba. I am in Pines in Yambemo, Bia and Sabeson, or no one so. The obedi, the obesity be abedade. I didn't mean provide my ubia, Nasa diri, ubi angle film. In fact, I want to about swa. Mumu bebedi ma menatem, but I want to my soda. Sound about swa, obitim ton them in the menina. No other form, obitim ton nempa, a crowd that's all. No de, bet you that's a phone other form. Ahokyere nya de ketewa o eye enemy ahokyere eye disease about so a eye chronic disease eye cranko oni anya de a obetima ko anso wontimi enko ema ne nkoda obetima kyerɛ wadwene e wo comment section aha yi Penyah blog media bakra